Dixie.
We expect a read on objective momentarily.
Maintaining course south-southeast at 121.
Copy that. Dixie, this is MaxCon here. What's your readiness status?
Beg your pardon, sir?
In case you have to engage.
Could you, repeat that, sir?
Yes, what's your readiness status in case you have to shoot it down?
We have 20 millimeters. Didn't have time to take on sidewinders before we scrambled. We may be able to cripple it. I guess if it comes to that, we can always ram it.
Roger that. Stand by.
Cessna 1181, clean.
Oh, yeah, I see. It's about 6 miles northwest. Moving pretty fast.
We don't have control of that aircraft.
It's rocking back and forth.
Take evasive action.
United 93, Cleveland.
Dixie, flight's down.
Down as in landed?
Negative. Down as in some field.
Roger that.